Hey, what's up, you guys? We are getting ready to head out for breakfast. It is Sunday. It's beautiful out. I'm wearing basically the outfit I wore on the plane on the way here, but I'm wearing my pink wrap top. This is from Princess Polly. And then I'm wearing my white linen pants and some Steve Madden shoes. So my white linen pantsies, and then my shoesies. And we're going to this restaurant called Mija, and I'm really excited about it. Honestly, I'm craving a croissant. Craving a croissant so bad. I'm about to have a croissant. Maybe. We'll see. Guys, today is Tuesday and it's our last day here in Medellin, Colombia. It's been a long trip. We are going out for a lunch dinner.
Final lunch dinner at our favorite restaurant, which I would say is Restaurante Justo, right?
Today I'm wearing a little Tiger Mist dress and my Steve Madden shoes because I wanted to dress it down a little because it is a little formal. And that's my outfit. What do you think? Wearing. What are you wearing?
I don't remember who makes it.
Just say white linen top.
Yeah, but who makes it?
Frescable Cariosa.
Frescable Cariosa. White linen top. I got these in Colombia. These are like a really nice light blue linen. Like they're extremely light because I wanted something for summers in Gainesville, which are really hot. And then I don't really remember who makes these. These are awesome. Got these on Matchless Fashion.
And then your jewelry.
And then my jewelry.
And your Gucci
a lot of Karma
sunglasses.
look and Gucci sunglasses.
I've got my Tiger Mist dress. I just did my hair with my Dyson Airwrap. And then I've got my little Steve Madden shoes to dress it down a little. Marc Jacobs purse. And that's it.
Hi guys, it's our last one here. I'm so sad. Is that what you're about to say?
I'm not gonna say I'm sad, but I was gonna say this.
Hi guys, it's our last night here, and I'm just letting you know that we're all packed up.
Now that the drama is completed,
Now that the drama and the cackling is done.
let's start where I left off. So, we're basically packed up. Let me show you the state of my suitcase. Whoa, what's going on? We're back. Something happened, but we're back. Let me show you guys the state of our packing. This is my suitcase. Helios is basically done. This is all, so these are all the fruits that we still haven't eaten yet. carry-on right here and the outfit I'm wearing tomorrow, as well as my tote bag, which I haven't really packed yet. and all of my makeup is just kind of out because I'm doing my makeup tomorrow morning, and then when I'm gonna close it up, put everything away. We got some muffins that we're gonna take to the airport because it's about an hour drive there, right?
45 minutes.
So we're probably gonna be hungry, so we got some muffins, and then
You can't go more than an hour without eating.
yeah. And now we're gonna make some rice. And wait, did you already start the rice?
No.
Are you the rice man? So I'm gonna make some rice, and we're gonna make our final meal. We have tons of food still left over.
Actually, we don't have that much.
So we've got vegan ground beef, and then we got chorizos, and these are really good, guys. Like, really good. We got avocado, cilantro, tomato, onion. We got a couple of things like that. And then we have, obviously, rice that we're making. Yeah, all of it is vegan. Bingo. I've got this cute little packaging from when I bought my silver ring. I don't know if I showed it to you guys, but let me show you the packaging because I'm going to leave it because it's too big. I might take the little case, but I just don't know where I would use it for. Yeah, I bought this silver ring that a little while ago, and I actually wore it out of the store basically, but she still wrapped everything in it like this, and it's so cute. And I was gonna film a video on it, but I just didn't get around to it. So if I don't film it tomorrow, you guys saw it. But yeah, it's just not worth taking a whole box, you know? It's really cute, but it's just not worth it. So yeah, last day, I thought I would close out my vlog and call it. Hey, what's up you guys? It is Wednesday morning. We are getting ready to head out. We're already all packed, ready to go. I'm gonna show you my outfit. I don't have my shoes on yet, but I'm wearing my, this is a white Princess Polly top because I get cold on the plane. And then some A Goldie jeans. And I'm gonna wear my white Converse, but I haven't put those on yet. And let me show you all the suitcases. We're leaving. We are actually leaving in like 20 minutes, I think. So we're gonna drink our last coffees and say goodbye. Today's a little bit of a gloomy day, but let me show you what it looks like. We're at the airport. We already went through checking and
Got here really early.
yeah, we got here super early. We were in line for like an hour waiting for Spirit to start their boarding stuff, and now all that's done and we're just waiting for the time to actually board the plane.
With some nice seats.
Yeah, we do have
The
some
big seats.
We do have some nice seats. I'm excited.
I'm gonna take a nap.
There's not many stores here because it's a pretty small airport, but I'm thinking I'm gonna go check out the lingerie shop down there.
Yeah.
Anyways, just wanted to show you guys what it looks like in here.